Howdy folks, welcome back. Just having a look at the new stove. We ended up buying this stove because we could not get the actual oven working for the other one. So this is new. Well, not new, but it's another reclaimed piece from a different RV. But this one works just fine. Got the regulator on it already. Everything hooked up in the back there. So I'm going to hook that up in a couple minutes and have a look, see, make sure everything works properly, but I believe everything should. And that'll be what we're building the little, I don't know what you're going to call it, a cabinet, I guess, to put this in so that we have something to cook on. Alright, talk to you in a few. Alright, so we got the top burners lit, that's going. As you can see, our pilot light and the burner's just starting to get going there finally. Just took a moment to get rocking. So our oven works, top works, everything seems to be functional here. And this is a piece from another, from another scrapped RV. We ended up trading a favor for it, really, but we got that all sorted. So we got something to cook on and cook in. All right. Back with you when we're working on the cabinet for this. Alright, so got ourselves a piece of salvage sheet of plywood left over from another project. Just marking it off here. We're going to go ahead and cut that little cabinet out for the stove. So shouldn't be too long here. We'll come back in a minute. So this is the piece that we're using to make the sides of the cabinet. We've got this section in the center here that we're going to cut out, leave the two sides, and then that will be, then we'll be on to the next step. Okay. One side. And there's the other. This here is going to be the piece that the actual stove is going to sit on top of. So we need a couple, I think we need one more of those as a shelf in the bottom, and then we need a piece to go across the back so that our pots and pans don't stick out the back of the compartment there. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, I think this will be our shelf. So now we just need to cut this piece here up into some supports, and then we should be off to the races. Alright, so we have constructed our little cabinet for this. So now got that nicely supported there. Got our shelf for the pots and pans. We're going to put a crosser underneath this. It's not quite as strong as we like it to be, so, but we got the cabinet there. Thinking on putting I'm gonna put a couple of hinged shelves here so you got something to cook on, or something to do your prep and keep whatever tools you're using to the side of it. But I think this looks pretty good. Back up and get a better shot at it here. There you go. Cool. Alright. Back in a few minutes, guys. Okay, so we're just getting a look at the back of this here. It's the back of the stove in the little cabinet. Put a crosser in here and put a crosser in the bottom of the front. So that's a little bit stronger now, but I think it looks okay.
That's to stop the pots and pans from sliding out the back, though.
So, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll be back with you in a few minutes.